Okay, folks, we're here with Shawn at Ukulele Friend, and I know we're here to talk about the instruments, but I want to talk about the cases, because both of these instruments are made by Santo, and so we believe are the cases that they come in. This instrument is probably the fanciest one we've seen that he ever made, and look at this beautiful koa case, even with the rope binding in it. And so these little inlay strips, this is what they're designed for little furniture or jewelry boxes and furniture, little brass catches, little handle. It's just a beautiful, exquisite thing. So this is a customer willing to pay for the extra fancy case, right? And then this one is also, in its own way, a beautiful thing, but it is a spruce packing crate, basically, for this instrument. And it shows that you do the job needed for the job, and for this one, this is all it needed. So my pre-industrial furniture friends will love this. This is spruce. You can see the 4-plane marks, you can see the sawmill marks, clinched nails, little nails everywhere. This one over here had fancy joinery. This one is just nailed together, painted with what looks like milk paint, still with 4-plane marks on the inside. And probably this was nailed on here like this. Maybe the label was nailed here and a little leather handle nailed on there.
And buried.
And yeah, buried because it looks like a coffin. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna make one of these. It's pretty cool.